invisible cat be visible? Can invisible anything be visible? Can an invisible cat be visible? Can invisible anything be visible? Whoa, 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 what's this all about? Whoa, 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 what's this all about? Quantum entanglement. Whoa, 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 what's this all about? Quantum entanglement. Do you know about quantum entanglement? It's pretty complicated. Einstein and Schrodinger, very famous physicists, understood too much. Can an invisible cat be visible? Can invisible anything be visible? It's pretty complicated. Einstein and Schrodinger, very famous physicists, understood too much. Whoa, 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 what's this all about? Quantum entanglement. Particles share characteristics. How can they share? We don't know. Quantum behavior, quantum behavior. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Try some quantum behavior now. Quantum behavior, quantum behavior. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can be professor of physics right now. No, 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 no.